Hi friends, my name is Achut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will learn 10 more Linux commands. So yesterday we have learned 10 basic commands, right? So we will learn 10 more basic commands. So let us get into the video. So the first command is less command. The first command is less command. So what it does, imagine you have a long text. You have a long text and you want to read it page by page without scrolling endlessly. The less command is like your e-reader. The less command is like your e-reader. E-reader means electronic reader for text files. So how to use it? How to use less command? So type less file name. So you'll be having yesterday we have created the file name, right? We have created the file, right? So it is having some file name. So you have to write less file name and press enter and use the arrow keys to navigate or press Q to get. Example less report.txt. So it's a file. That's it. And second one is head command. So what it does? Want to quickly check the start of the file. So want to quickly check the start of the file. The head command shows you the first 10 lines by default. So if you want to check the first 10 lines quickly, then you have to use head command. So how to use it? Just type head file name. To see a different number of lines, use head -n number file name. That's it. So to see a different number of lines, use head -n number file name. So don't worry, I will execute all the statements in the terminal and you can understand. So here, this is the example head -n file report dot txt. So the next thing is tail command. So what it does, if you are interested in the latest entries in a log file, so if you are interested in the latest entries in a log file, tail has you covered by showing the last 10 lines. So head will show you first 10 lines, tail will show you last 10 lines. That's it. Simple. So how to use it? Type tail file name. That's it. For lib update, use tail -f file name. That's it. For the live update, use tail -f file name. That's it. Example tail -f server.log. So grep command. So what it does? Looking for a needle in a haystack. So looking for a needle in a haystack. Grep helps you find specific text within files. So grep helps you find specific text within files. So a graph is like a highlighting thing. So if you want to highlight something, you will use graph. I hope you understand. It's here. It will highlight every occurrence of search item. So you have to type grep search item file name. That's it. Then that item will be highlighted. That's it. Example grep error server log. So I'm telling search for error and highlight that error. That's it. And fifth one, find command. So what it does? If you lost a file, find will search through directories to help you locate it. So what is find? If you lost a file, find will search through directories to help you locate it. How to use it? Type find directory -name file name. Replace directory with where you want to start searching. What? Replace directory with where you want to start searching. Example, find /home -name report.txt. chmod. So what it does? Keep your files secure by setting who can read. So the next one is ch command. So what it does? Keep your files secure by setting who can read, who can write, or who can execute them using chmod. So what's chmod? Keep your files secure by setting who can read, who can write, who can execute them using chmod. How to use it? Type chmod permissions file name. Permissions are a combinations of letters. So permissions are a combinations of letters. R for read, X for write, X for execute, or numbers 0 to 7. So how to use this numbers 0 to 7, I will explain in the next video. Example, chmod u plus x script dot sh. So u plus x means, so x is an execute. So I will explain what is u plus x in the next video. So x is an execute. So I will execute. I will tell what is u, what is x. How can we execute these functionalities and with the chmod. I will explain in the next video. Don't worry. And seventh one, chown command. So what is one chown command? What it does? Need to change who owns a file. Need to change who owns a file. Chown lets you assign a new owner and a group. Let's assign a new owner and a group. So how to use it? Type chown user column group file name, replace user and group with the new names. Example, chown alias dot column staff report dot txt. So we are replacing alias with staff. That's it. You are replacing user with group. That's it. See here, replace user with user and group with the new names. So replace user and group with the new names. So we are replacing alias and staff with the new names in the report.txt. So that is the chown command. So what is df command? So what it does? Wondering how much space is left on your disk. So wondering how much space is left on your disk. df gives you a summary of disk uses. df gives you a summary of disk uses. Disk. So how to use it? Just type df and add -h to make it human readable. If you add -h, then only it is human readable, or otherwise it's not a human readable. Example, df -h. Ninth one, du command. So what it does? Check how much space a file or directory takes up with du. So how to use it? Type du path dot use -h for human readable output. If you want to read it, I have to use -h, du -h slash var. So free command. So what it does? Keep an eye on your RAM using with free. Keep an eye on your RAM using with keep an eye on your RAM usage with free. How to use it? Type free and use -h to get the output in a more understandable format. Example, free -h. Example, free -h. So what is free command? Keep an eye on your RAM's usage. So type free, use -h to get the output in a more understandable human readable format. Example, free -h. So these are the 10 basic, like yesterday we have discussed 10 basic commands, and these are the 10 basic commands. Totally 20 basic commands are completed, and 10 more basic commands are left. So after that, we will get into the A series commands. So that's it, friends. So these are the 10 basic commands. So these commands I will execute in the terminal in the upcoming video. Tomorrow I will execute and I will show you how these commands will work. So that's it, friends. If you find this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.